The cardiovascular system is a complex network within the body. Its primary function is transportation of essential substances. These substances include oxygen and nutrients required for cellular function. The system also transports hormones to regulate various bodily processes. Waste products, generated by cells, are removed via this network. This ensures optimal cellular function and overall bodily health. The heart is situated within the chest cavity. It is positioned between the lungs. The heart is located slightly to the left of the body's midline. This location provides optimal protection for the organ. The heart's placement allows for efficient connection to major blood vessels. The heart is enclosed within a protective double-layered sac known as the pericardium. This pericardial sac effectively isolates the heart within the thoracic cavity. The space between the pericardial layers contains a lubricating fluid. This fluid is crucial for minimizing friction during the heart's continuous contractions. Reduced friction prevents wear and tear on the heart tissue. The pericardium, therefore, supports efficient and sustainable heart function. The heart is composed of 4 distinct chambers. These chambers are divided into 2 pairs, the atria and the ventricles. The right and left atria serve as the receiving chambers for incoming blood. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs. The right and left ventricles pump blood out of the heart to the lungs and body, respectively. The heart contains 4 valves that control the direction of blood flow. These valves ensure unidirectional blood movement through the heart chambers. The tricuspid valve is located between the right atrium and right ventricle. The mitral valve is positioned between the left atrium and left ventricle. The pulmonary valve controls blood flow from the right ventricle to the pulmonary artery. The aortic valve regulates blood flow from the left ventricle to the aorta. Heart valves function as one-way doors within the heart. These valves open and close in coordination with the heart's contractions. This coordinated action ensures unidirectional blood flow through the heart chambers. The valves prevent backflow, maintaining efficient circulation. Proper valve function is essential for effective cardiovascular performance. The vena cava is the largest vein in the human body. Its primary function is to transport deoxygenated blood. This blood is collected from various parts of the body. The vena cava then carries this blood to the right atrium of the heart. This process initiates pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation is essential for oxygenating the blood. Pulmonary arteries are a vital component of the circulatory system. Their primary function is to transport deoxygenated blood. This blood is carried from the right ventricle of the heart. The destination of this deoxygenated blood is the lungs. Within the lungs, a crucial exchange occurs. Carbon dioxide is removed from the blood and oxygen is absorbed. Pulmonary veins are responsible for transporting oxygen-rich blood. They carry this blood from the lungs directly to the left atrium of the heart. This completes the pulmonary circuit, a crucial part of the circulatory system. The oxygenated blood is then ready for systemic circulation. Systemic circulation delivers oxygen to the body's tissues and organs. The aorta is the largest artery in the human body. It originates from the left ventricle of the heart. The aorta's primary function is to receive oxygenated blood. It then distributes this oxygenated blood throughout the body. This distribution ensures that all tissues receive essential oxygen. The aorta also supplies nutrients necessary for tissue function. Blood is composed of several key components that perform different functions. Plasma, the liquid component, suspends blood cells and transports nutrients. Red blood cells are responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body. White blood cells are crucial for the body's immune defense. Platelets facilitate blood clotting to prevent excessive bleeding. These components work together to maintain homeostasis and support vital functions. The cardiac cycle involves 2 main phases: systole and diastole. Systole is the phase where the heart muscle contracts, ejecting blood into the circulation. Diastole is the phase where the heart muscle relaxes, allowing the chambers to fill with blood. These two phases work in coordination to ensure continuous blood flow throughout the body. The sinoatrial, SA node, is located in the right atrium of the heart. The SA node functions as the heart's natural pacemaker. It initiates electrical signals. These electrical signals trigger the contraction of heart muscles. This process regulates the heart's rhythm and ensures efficient blood circulation. The atrioventricular, AV node, is a crucial component of the heart's electrical conduction system. It receives electrical signals initiated by the sinoatrial, SA node. The AV node then relays these signals to the ventricles. This relay function ensures coordinated contraction of the heart chambers. Coordinated contraction is essential for efficient blood pumping throughout the body. Blood pressure measures the force exerted by circulating blood. This force acts upon the walls of blood vessels throughout the body. Blood pressure is a critical indicator of cardiovascular health. Monitoring blood pressure helps assess the efficiency of blood circulation. Blood pressure is a critical physiological parameter that needs to be tightly regulated. The regulation of blood pressure is achieved through the interplay of several key factors. These factors include heart rate, which determines the frequency of blood ejection. Vessel diameter also plays a crucial role by influencing resistance to blood flow. Blood volume is another determinant, affecting the overall fluid pressure within the circulatory system. These factors work in concert to ensure adequate blood flow and tissue perfusion throughout the body. The cardiovascular system is essential for gas exchange in the body. It acts as the transport network for respiratory gases. Oxygen is transported from the lungs, where it is absorbed, to the body's tissues. This oxygen is crucial for cellular respiration and energy production. Carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism, is transported from the tissues to the lungs. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is expelled from the body during exhalation. The cardiovascular system is responsible for nutrient distribution throughout the body. It ensures that cells receive essential substances required for metabolism. These nutrients include glucose, a primary energy source for cells. Amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, are also delivered. Fatty acids, crucial for cell structure and energy storage, are transported. This delivery supports overall cellular function and health. The cardiovascular system plays a crucial role in removing metabolic waste from bodily tissues. Metabolic wastes include substances like urea and creatinine, byproducts of cellular activity. The circulatory system transports these waste products away from the tissues where they are produced. This transport is essential for maintaining a stable and healthy internal environment. The waste-laden blood is then directed to the kidneys, the primary organs responsible for excretion. The cardiovascular system plays a crucial role in body temperature regulation. It achieves this by controlling blood flow to the skin's surface. Directing blood flow towards the skin promotes heat dissipation. Conversely, directing blood flow away from the skin conserves heat. This dynamic blood flow adjustment helps maintain a stable internal body temperature. Hemostasis, commonly known as blood clotting, is the body's mechanism to stop bleeding. This process is initiated by platelets and clotting factors present in the blood. These components work in coordination to form a clot at the injury site. The primary goal of hemostasis is to prevent excessive blood loss following an injury. Hypertension, commonly known as high blood pressure, poses significant health risks. It increases the amount of force and strain on the heart. Hypertension also affects the blood vessels throughout the body. Elevated blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. It increases the likelihood of stroke. Hypertension can lead to kidney failure if left unmanaged. This is characterized by the buildup of fatty plaques within the arteries. These on the inner walls of the arteries over time. The leads to the narrowing of the arterial passageway. This narrowing restricts the flow of blood through the affected arteries. Deprives tissues and organs of necessary oxygen and nutrients. Atherosclerosis can significantly increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. Myocardial infarction, commonly known as a heart attack, is a critical medical event. It occurs when the flow of blood to the heart muscle is severely restricted or completely blocked. This blockage deprives the heart tissue of essential oxygen. The lack of oxygen leads to damage and potential death of the affected heart muscle tissue. prompt medical intervention is crucial to restore blood flow and minimize damage. The severity of a heart attack depends on the extent and duration of the blood flow blockage. The cardiovascular and respiratory systems work in tandem to ensure oxygen supply to the body. The respiratory system is responsible for gas exchange within the lungs. This gas exchange provides oxygen that the cardiovascular system can distribute. Oxygen-rich blood is then circulated throughout the body by the cardiovascular system. This process delivers oxygen to cells and tissues for essential functions. The efficient integration of these systems is crucial for maintaining overall health and vitality.